Hey, future YouTube sensations, are you ready to turn your dreams into a reality? Let's embark on an electrifying adventure to build your very own YouTube channel together. In just 30 days, we've skyrocketed our views to over 4,800 and racked up a jaw-dropping 50,000 impressions. You better believe there's a phenomenal blueprint behind this success, and I'm spilling all the secrets so you can shine too. This past month, pure magic. We're pouring our hearts into creating vibrant, engaging content that connects with you, our incredible community here and within our online community. And speaking of community, you're invited to join in on the fun at community.AnnMarieWalts.com. Here's the thrilling part. We didn't just gain views. We've welcomed 33 fabulous new subscribers to our family. And it's all thanks to HighLevel, the superhero tool that's been jet fueling our workflow. Imagine being free to unleash your creativity while automating the nitty-gritty behind the scenes. It's a game changer. What's been the secret sauce, you ask? It's all about blending relatable humor with powerful insights and a dash of education. Our shorts? They're like catnip for viewers, attracting traffic faster than you can say subscribe. And let's not forget the magic of our longer videos and live sessions where we connect on a whole new level and create electrifying moments. But hold on to your hats because there's so much more in store. I've prepared a dynamic overview video showcasing how HighLevel can supercharge your efforts. This tool will let you focus on crafting content that captivates, engages, and grows your audience. So what's next on this exhilarating journey? We're on a mission to amplify our audience, dive deeper into our connections with you, and continue building on this thrilling ride. The adventure is just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss the epic chapters ahead. So buckle up and let's rock this journey together. Be sure to watch our episode titled Go HighLevel Overview. Need a side hustle? Until next time, stay fabulous. P.S. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.